morning. Cookie and Pops here out on our back porch, drinking coffee. This video, what you see Pops doing out here is the final manicuring of our 10 acres. When we bought this place, it was completely overtaken with vines. Every tree line, wood line, the creek, the fence was completely taken over by copious amounts of stubborn, prickly vines.
It was basically unmanicured. I mean, nothing had ever been done to it.
It was in the wild. And we were just reminiscing on where we started, the little corner over here by the creek, and how much work we've done, how hard that was. But we just did it, and we loved it. We didn't have the tools, but we slowly acquired more tools to make it easier.
Yeah. We needed that.
But
it's been a long journey. I mean, this fence line is probably a 3-year work on this property.
Yeah.
And this was the final thing that we wanted to clean up.
Yep. And now our road frontage looks really pretty. It's just a, what kind of fence? Barbed wire fence?
Yeah, just barbed wire.
We're lucky to have it, though.
Yeah.
And the vines just kept getting bigger and bigger and longer. And you cut them off.
Cut them off, let them die on the fence a little bit, and then we came back and cleaned them off. I'll still have to maintain that because they'll grow back, but now it'd be easier to maintain and keep under control. The whole creek, edges are all the same. I mean, they'll be easier to keep under control now.
The amount of trees that we saved, they were just covered in vines. They were being choked out.
They were deforming the growth of the tree. There were so many vines on them.
It's just so pretty. Just sitting here looking at the creek and what we can see right now with the green coming up. It's gorgeous. We've done a lot of projects out here.
Yeah.
From the barn to the bunkhouse,
indoor outhouse,
garden.
The garden's on its second generation already.
Yep. In just 3 years. Well, actually, when did we put the garden in?
We put it in pretty soon, that little one.
Yeah, I guess it was summer of 2021.
Yeah.
Right after we bought the place. Yep. With a little T-post.
10 by 10 garden space.
We didn't even have a gate. Then 2023, we expanded it? Maybe it was 2022.
2022 got expanded. Major expansion with all the poles set in the ground. And
I think it was last year, last January, 2023.
Was it?
Yep. So I might have had that little garden for 2 years.
Maybe.
2 years.
I don't remember.
Oh, there's a little bird. We're sitting out here and we have a little bird that has made a nest in the ceiling over the porch. She went over there. She keeps trying to come up and feed her babies, and she's scared because we're sitting here. Anyway, then we got the garden shed, what we're now calling maybe a storage shed.
Yeah.
The lean-tos, and then we got the front porch poured. And then that was all 2022. Then in 2023, after we did the garden, we decided to build a house.
Yeah, I started the house project.
What the heck? We started the house project. That's just crazy. And I still think, what are we doing? We're like living two different lives. We have our townhome life, our big city life, going to work.
Yeah, but this life's a lot more fun.
It is. We like this life a whole lot better. I mean, our other life isn't bad.
It's just a normal life.
Yeah.
Where this is better.
Yeah, this is dreamy. This is the dreamy life. Love it. And our next steps are hopefully going to start happening soon.
Yeah. Get the house finished and stay out here longer, more often.
Oh, let's not forget your shipping container.
Well, yeah, we needed that because, getting ready to sell the townhome, we needed somewhere to put all of our possessions. Just made sense. Everything's out here now, so. Well, most everything.
Mm-hmm.
It's about where we're at.
Yeah. I was just thinking this morning about how we named all of our areas when we first came out here so we knew what we were talking about. Instead of saying, over there, by whatever, Armadillo Island.
The reason we call it that is because the first time, or soon after we bought the property, there was an armadillo shell over there. So we remember where we found it. So that's why we call that Armadillo Island.
Yep. Beaver Cove.
Beaver Cove, because all the little tiny trees have been eaten off and little stick-ups out of the ground. So that was Beaver Cove.
We can't forget about our beaver problem we had 2 years ago.
Yeah.
But it's all been fun. We've really enjoyed the work.
Yeah.
And we cannot wait to be out here full time.
Look forward to the rest of the
finishing
adventure.
The house. And just waking up out here.
Yep, it's great.
Every morning.